What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Pluto TV on your PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Microsoft Store. So to do that, all you have to do is to go to Windows search bar and you're going to search for Microsoft Store. As you can see it's right here. Then what you want to do is to go again to the search bar, but this time you will search for Pluto TV. As you can see it's right here, so let's click on it. Then to start the installing process, all you have to do is just to click on install button, like so. Now all we have to do is to wait for it to be installed. As you can see now we can open the app and let's do that. As you can see Pluto TV is not available for my location, but if you are in an available location you can use Pluto TV, or you can use a VPN and you're going to set it on an available location. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.